Welcome to all in this class. In this class, we have discussed about formation of differential equation. So first of all, definition of ordinary differential equation. So differential equation which involve only one independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. dy upon dx equal to c d square y upon dx square equal to m square y dy upon dx plus by equal to q d square y upon dx square plus 2x dy upon dx plus under root of 1 plus dy upon dx whole square equal to 0 are all the example of ordinary differential equation. So next, order of ordinary differential equation. The order of ordinary differential equation is defined as the order of highest order derivative occurs in the differential equation. Degree of ordinary differential equation means the degree of an ordinary differential equation is the degree of highest order derivative when the equation has been made rationalized. So some examples based on the degree and order. So example 1, 1 plus 3 dy upon dx whole power 2 by 3 equal to 4 d power 3 by over dx power 3. In this question, degree and order are 3, 3. Or this question was asked in the Maharashtra State Eligibility Test 2020. So how to solve this question? So we have 1 plus 3 dy upon dx power 2 by 3 is equal to 4 d power 3 by upon dx power 3. On taking power 3 both sides, so we can write this equation 1 plus 3 dy upon dx power 2 is equal to 4 d power 3 by upon dx power 3 whole power 3. So we observe that the highest order derivative of order 3 and degree of highest order derivative is also 3. So this is the solution of this question. So next, d square y over dx square plus under root of 1 plus under root 1 plus dx over dy square equal to 0. In this question, degree 1, order 2, d square y upon dx square plus 2x dy upon dx plus under root of 1 plus dy upon dx whole square equal to 0. In this question, degree 2 and order is also 2. dy upon dx equal to sin x, degree 1 and order 1. So next is formation of differential equation or formation of ordinary differential equation. So example, consider an equation y equal to mx plus c where m is an arbitrary constant. So on differentiating equation 1 with respect to x and we get dy upon dx equal to 1. So substitute this value of m in equation 1. So we can eliminate m from equation 1. So we get y equal to x dy upon dx plus c, equation number 2. Equation 2 is an ordinary differential equation of first order and first degree. Now we have another example. Find the differential equation satisfied the equation of parabola y square equal to 4a into x plus a. So how to solve this question? So given that the equation of parabola is y square equal to 4a into x plus a. Suppose this is equation number 1. So on differentiating equation 1, both sides with respect to x. So we have 2y dy over dx equal to 4a. Suppose that this is equation number 2. So on dividing equation 1 by 2, and we get y square upon 2 dy upon dx equal to x plus a. Or we can write this equation as y square upon 2 dy upon dx minus x equal to a. So substitute the value of this capital A in equation 2 and A is eliminated and we get y dy upon dx equal to 2 y square upon 2 dy upon dx minus x, or y dy upon dx whole square equal to y minus 2x dy upon dx is the answer of this question. So next we have another method to solve the ordinary differential equation. This is the method of separation of variable. So working rule for the method of separation of variable. So we have when the equation mdx plus ndy equal to 0 can be put in the form f1x dx plus f2y dy equal to 0, then it can be easily solved by integrating terms separately. Hence, by direct integration, the solution of the differential equation is given by integration f1x dx plus integration f2y dy equal to constant, where c is the arbitrary constant. So question based on the separation of variable method. So given that sec square x tan y dx plus sec square y tan y dy, and solve this equation by using the separation of variable method. So given equation can be written as sec square x upon tan x dx plus sec square y tan y dy equal to 0. So on integrating both sides, we have sec square x upon tan x dx plus sec square y upon tan y dy equal to constant. So first integration and second integration. So put tan x equal to p in first integration and put tan y equal to q in second integration. So we have sec square x dx equal to dp, and we have sec square y dy equal to dq. So above integration becomes 1 upon p dp plus integration 1 upon q dq equal to, we have this constant as log c. So 1 upon means log p plus log q equal to log c. So substituting the value of p and q, we have log tan x plus log tan y equal to log c. We have log tan x plus log tan y equal to log c. So by using the property of logarithm, we can write this as tan x into tan y equal to constant. So next question is solve yz dx plus xz dy plus xy dz equal to 0. So solution, given that the equation is yz dx plus xz dy plus xy dz equal to 0, equation number 1. On dividing this equation throughout by xyz each term, so we have yz dx upon xyz plus xz dy upon xyz plus xy dz upon xyz. So we observe that the common term are cancelled here. Yz and yz cancel, xz and xz cancel, and xy and xy cancel. So remain value is dx upon x plus dy upon y and plus dz upon z equal to 0. On integrating both sides, we have integration dx upon x plus integration dy upon y plus integration dz upon z equal to c, or we have this equal to log x plus log y plus log z equal to log c. By using the property of logarithm, we get x into y into z equal to c. This is the answer of this question. So